Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So the Pantone Color Institute declared Very Peri this year's official color, and I thought, let's take this and glam it up. Very Peri symbolizes creativity and imagination, and I hope this look inspires the same. So let's get started. First, I'm moisturizing and priming my face before buffing on foundation. I'm applying concealer to my high points and covering any blemishes. I want a super matte base, so I'm pressing setting powder on my whole face before brushing off the excess. Next, I'm filling in my brows and applying brow gel. I'm then using concealer and a small pointed brush to clean up the edges. For eyes, I'm first using a pink violet color to shadow in a new crease. With the periwinkle eyeshadow, I'm drawing in the new crease and filling it in. I'm then using the pink violet color to shadow the inner half of the new crease, as well as my under eyes. Next, I'm applying a purple liquid eyeshadow on the inner half of my eyelids and topping just the center with blue and purple glitter. I'm then applying the periwinkle eyeshadow to my under eyes before topping it off with the liquid eyeshadow. I'm using an eyeliner brush to extend my bottom lash lines and then shading it out with the pink violet color. With the chrome loose powder, I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes and brow bone before applying mascara and false lashes. Next, I'm contouring my face with the neutral beige color before chiseling out my cheekbones, temples, and jawline with the cool toned brown contour powder. For blush, I'm blending in a baby pink to the apples of my cheeks and sweeping it upwards. I'm also slightly brushing the tip of my nose and chin before using the neutral beige to contour my nose bridge. I'm then highlighting my forehead, nose, cupid's bow, chin, and cheekbones with the chrome loose powder from earlier. I'm slightly overdrawing my lips with a brown lip pencil before applying a light pink lipstick. I'm then topping it off with a pink lip gloss. And that's it! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Also leave any thoughts or suggestions for more makeup looks in the comments down below. See you soon!